So in this video, I have a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1 sneakers that I'm kind of interested in. This is the Air Jordan 1 High 85s, and the colorway is the college navy, or like a Georgetown color, if you will, partly because that's where the theme is from here. So this is a look at the product right here, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully having a good day out there. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. And if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you guys want to shop any of the deals that I curate for you guys every week over on Collective Kicks, it's always linked in the description of the video. This pair of sneakers was sent over by KicksWorld. If you haven't heard of them, it is an online subscription service where you can actually get sneakers every month sent to you. And then at the end of the month, after wearing them, you can just send them back and then cancel your subscription or continue the subscription and get another pair of kicks sent to you the next month. If you guys use my link in the description, when you sign up, you'll save 30% off of whatever tier you end up signing up for. So it's definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested. So this is a look at the Air Jordan 1 High 85. And to be 100% honest though, like I don't understand quite what the differences are between the High 85 and the high retros that we get now. I mean, a retro is basically a reproduction of the original in a sense. So this is a high top version, but the High 85s look like it actually does look like the same height. The only big difference that I could tell side by side from the High 85s and the regular highs is the Air Jordan Wings logo is different. So it's a little bit thinner up at the top, where right underneath the word of the Air Jordan, like it has like a little thinner spacing on that versus the regular pair. But that's the only real big difference that I see between the 85s and the regular pair. Oh, also, they do say the size and the SKU number on the side of the shoe right here, which is something that I guess that happened on the original pairs as well. But throwing that out there, before I get too deep though, let's go ahead and get into the words of what Nike says about the product. This is the Air Jordan 1 High 85 College Navy, and $200 is the price point on these. Sheesh. I can't believe they're charging $200 for this, to be 100%. These drop on 4/2 at 7 a.m. PST for those wondering. MJ's career is full of legendary performances, but his first taste of glory came in college on March 29th, 82. The Air Jordan 1 High 85, back in its OG stance and shape with premium leather, now debuts in college navy to celebrate the college championship game that MJ played on that day. Commemorate the 40th anniversary of MJ's title-winning moment over the Bulldog School with this original icon. So obviously they didn't say the name Georgetown or anything like that, but this is the shoe that definitely is inspired by. And if you didn't know, Jordan played for North Carolina, and so this is like a nod to the rival school. And bonus points for anybody that can actually name the sneakers that Jordan was wearing back in the day in 82, which obviously was before the Jordan era came around, because that didn't start till like late 84, 85s. I'll give you guys a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1. It was actually a pair of Converse. From what I found, it was called the Fast Break High, and they actually sold on auction years and years ago. But anyway, that is kind of an interesting backstory. So if I'm going to nitpick a little bit, it is a little bit weird that they're having a 40-year anniversary of a honorary game from 82 on a model that is like 3 years later. But it is what it is. I mean, this is an 85 model. The game was in 82, back when he was at Converse, and I think Nike still owns Converse, so it feels like they could have done a pack or something like that, which they did a pack years ago as well, and it didn't do so well, so maybe they decided to just do with it. Regardless of any of that, I mean, you look at the model and the colorway is super dope. Like, it's definitely one that is going to draw a lot of attention to people. People are going to like the color blocking, I think, that they chose for this one. I think that $200 price point is a little bit crazy, considering at least the quality materials on this one is very mediocre. Like, it's not nice at all. It's very McDonald's leather, like basically manufactured the same every single pair, and not very high quality at all for that elevated price. That's just my opinion. But I've also been rocking a lot with New Balance. New Balance has incredible leather and suede comparison to like Jordan Brand, unfortunately, for them. But I mean, obviously they make hundreds of thousands of pairs of these. New Balance doesn't make anywhere near the product numbers as what Nike and Jordan Brand does. So again, McDonald's, global scale, every city that you go to and get a Big Mac is going to be the same pretty much everywhere you go. They want this to be kind of the same for every pair that they ended up making. One thing I did notice on the inside, it does say Jordan Brand rubber on the insole. It says Air Jordan HFM 52311 for the code, and then it has a couple little other things in there. So it looks kind of like some promo tags. So you have blue across the toe cap of the shoe, and then it goes up through the laces and then down and around the wings. Also on the back tab of the shoe, as well as on the swoosh, both sides. You do have the gray color on the perforation on the toe box, and then on the backing underneath the swoosh, and then also underneath around the wings of the collar. Gray liner on the inside also. And then you do have a thicker pair of gray laces, which these laces are a lot thicker than the standard pair of Jordan 1 laces, which I kind of like. I like the feel of these ones. They're more heavy duty feeling. You do have a white nylon tongue, and underneath that you can see the foam. It's very visible. It kind of gives off a yellowish look to the tongue, kind of a vintage look as well, kind of like that. And then you do have the Air Jordan Wings logo on the side right here, but it is a little bit different. As I said, it's a little bit more merged together, a little bit odd. And then also the midsole is white, and the outsole, it looks kind of black in some light, but it's actually a dark navy as well. So that's kind of it for the color blocking. What do you guys think about the model? Is it something you guys are after or not? Leave a comment, let me know. I think it's a nice looking model. I think that the price point elevated to 200 is a little bit crazy, but I know it's going to fly off of shelves. So I don't know how limited these are. I don't know if Sneakers is the only one getting them. I'm sure some boutiques are going to get them, but I'm not sure how mainstream they're getting with the 85s. But is it on your hit list or not? Leave a comment, let me know. Thanks to KicksWorld again for sending this over. And if you guys want to save that 30% on KicksWorld, go ahead and hit the link in the description. But I think they're cool. I don't think they're worth $200 in the quality of materials that I see. The color blocking is nice though. So if you don't care about materials, but you do like the colors, then obviously it would speak to me if it was like Oregon State colors. But for those people that are Georgetown fans, this is one I think that they're going to like. But that's the video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Check back for some more content. April should be a fun month, and hopefully we'll see you guys back. All right, see you guys.